Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Fishdom. If you want to change your language settings on your Fishdom application, then here's how you can do it. Start off by launching open your Fishdom application on your preferred device. After you are done, tap on the gear icon at the top left hand corner. In the pop-up, tap on the change language option right under change name. You can select from the language options displayed on the screen. Choose your preferred language you would want to change to and tap on the box right in front of the language. Now tap on OK and you have successfully changed language on your Fishdom application using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.